money on by Inhaler is played in standard tuning with no capo for the lead guitar, and the acoustic guitar has a capo on the 3rd fret. For the electric guitar part, we're going to start off with the C minor 7 chord. Got a first finger bar across the 3rd fret from the A string down, the 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the D, and the 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the B. We're going to strum down, 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 up, down, down. One more time. Down, 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 up, down, down. Then going to move the same shape up to the 10th fret here. So we've got 10th fret bar, 12th fret on the D, and 11th fret on the B. I'm going to strum down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down. Slowly. Second time through, instead of playing the C minor 7 chord, we're going to play an E flat bar chord. So we've got the 6th fret on the A and the 3rd finger bar across the 8th fret on the D, G, and B strings. Exactly the same strumming. So down, 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 up, down, down, up. And then back to that G minor 7 chord with the down, 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 up, down. Okay, so from the E flat slowly. G minor 7, and the whole thing there, C minor 7, G minor 7, E flat, back to that G minor 7, and up to speed. To end the kind of verse pattern there, we're going to move down from this G minor 7 chords, 2 frets, to an F minor 7. We're going to strum down twice. Then we're going to grab E, strum D and G together, E, D and G together, and then kind of repeat that for the next bar as well. Okay, so. Back through the chords for the verse. So there's a little bridge section in the song where we just sit on that E flat chord, but we're going to bounce across the strings like we did for the F minor 7 chord. So we hit the bass on the A, then we're going to strum G and B and kind of repeat that. That's the whole bridge. So there's also an awesome guitar riff that's sometimes played in the song instead of the chords. It starts off on the 6th fret of the A, the 6th fret of the E, straight to the D at the 3rd fret there. So 6 on the A, 6 on the E, going to 3 on the A. We're then going to play 6 on the E, 3 on the A, 5 on the D, immediately back to 3 on the A. We'll then grab 6 on the A, 3 on the E. 3 on the E again, and we start the riff from the start. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. For the second break in the song, we're going to play 8th fret on the E, 8th fret on the D, and we're going to bounce between them. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're going to drop down to 8 on the E, 7 on the G, same rhythm. And that would sound like this. For the acoustic guitar part, we're going to have a capo on the 3rd fret here. And we're going to start off with an E minor 7 chord with a C in the bass. So it's 3rd fret on the A, relative to capo, 2nd fret on the D, 3rd fret on the B string. The rest of the strings are open except for the low E, which we're not going to play at all. For the strumming, we're going to strum down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So it's kind of like a repetitive pattern there. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. We'll then go to an actual E minor 7 chord. All we really need to do is move down to 2 on the A and 2 on the D. The 3rd fret on the B string stays where it is, exactly the same rhythm. Okay, so you've got the E minor 7 with the C in the bass to start with. Then to the E minor 7. We're then going to go to an A minor 7 chord. So all we want here is the second fret on the D and the first fret on the B. Again, all the strings are open except for the low E string, which isn't played. Same strumming. Then back to the E minor 7, so 2 on the A, 2 on the D, 3 on the B. Same strumming. So that whole part sounds like this. For the outro picking, there's a lovely picking pattern. We're going to look at the first time through here, but the rest of the times through use exactly the same chords, just different picking patterns. We're going to start off with this E minor 7 with the C in the bass, the first chord from the kind of verse chord progression there. We're going to pick A, D, G, B 4 times. We're then going to move down to 2 on the A, open D, second fret on the G, and third fret on the B, and do exactly the same picking 4 times. We're then going to move down to the first fret on the A string and keep the other 2 fingers exactly where they were. We're going to pick this 3 times because the 4th time is slightly different. So we've got A, D, G, B, A, D, G, B. The 4th time here we pick A, D, and then we're going to pick open B, open G. So that would sound like this. Then I'm going to move to an A minor 7 chord. I'm going to pick this 3 times, A, D, G, B. Then I'm going to catch the D string, slide up from 2 to 4, but we're also sliding the rest of the shape up with us. And then we pick B, G, D. Okay, so that last bar, A, slide up, pick up. So the whole A minor part there. The whole thing slowly. We have the E minor 7 with the C in the bass 4 times. Move down to 2 on the A, 2 on the G. Again 4 times. Then we drop down to the first fret on the A 3 times. 4th time through we go to the open. And then we go to an A minor 7 chord 3 times. Slide up and then back through the chords there. So always E minor 7 with the C, dropping down to the B in the bass, the B flat in the bass, and A minor 7, sliding up on the last beat there, 2 frets. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.